You check your bank account, and it still feels like you're going nowhere. But what if I told you you're actually building wealth right now, and you just can't see it? Here are 8 signs you're secretly getting rich, even if you don't feel it. Sign number 1, you stopped buying lunch every day. Sign number 1, you stopped buying lunch every day. Let's say you used to spend $15 on lunch 5 days a week. That's $75 a week, $300 a month. Now you meal prep or eat at home. You didn't get a raise, but you're retaining an extra $300 every single month. That's $3,600 a year you used to burn through without thinking. Sign number 2, you haven't upgraded your phone in years. Sign 2, you haven't upgraded your phone in 2 years. Everyone around you is chasing the latest model, the 200, finally 400s, but your phone still works. You're saving $50 a month on installment plans you're not paying. That's another $600 a year staying in your account instead of disappearing. And sign number 3, you're no longer impressing anyone. 3, you stop trying to impress people. No more expensive dinners just to look successful. No designer clothes you can't afford. You realize that wealth is built in private, not performed in public. And the moment you stopped caring what others think, your bank account started caring about you. Sign 4, you actually look at your subscriptions now. Netflix, Spotify, that gym you never use. $20 here, $25 there. You used to ignore them. Now you cancel what you don't need, but those $65 a month compound into $780 a year, and you didn't even feel the loss. Sign number 5, you're comfortable saying no. Sign 5, you can say no without guilt. Friends want to go out, but you're not interested. You skip the weekend trip because it doesn't fit your budget. This isn't being cheap, this is being intentional. And every no to something unnecessary is a yes to your future financial freedom. Sign number 6, you know where your money goes. You don't need a fancy app, maybe just notes on your phone. But you're aware, and awareness is the first step to control. Most people have no idea where $600 disappears every month. You do, and that alone puts you ahead of 80% of people. Sign number 7, you think in cost per use. A $250 jacket you'll wear 100 times? That's $250 per wear. Worth it. A $250 jacket for one event? Pass. You're not cheap, you're efficient. And that mindset shift from price to value is exactly how wealthy people think. Sign number 8, you don't feel rich, but you feel secure. You're not stressed about an unexpected $500 expense anymore. You have breathing room. And that feeling, that quiet confidence, that's what wealth actually is. Not flashy cars, not designer bags, just peace of mind. You're doing better than you think. If even 3 of these signs apply to you, you're already on the right path. Subscribe if this changed your perspective. I'll see you in the next one.